We know this narrative.
Tell me we're getting.
We know this narrative is bullshit. We.
Tell me we're getting. Welcome to today's vlog. Okay, so today we are gonna have a little bit of a productive day. I decided I'm gonna take down the Christmas tree today. I'm gonna attempt to. I also have, the reason why I have clothes hanging everywhere is because I did laundry yesterday, but the dryers don't work. So I had to hang dry all my clothes and they're still drying. They're still a little damp like on the sleeves and stuff, but it'll be fine. It's fine. I also just finished editing a few TikToks and I just finished the first portion of today's video, which keeps me on track because now I can film more for TikTok. I'm so excited because I know that the new year is coming very, very fast. Like it's literally this weekend. But I'm just super pumped because I know that there's a lot coming next month. Like next month, we're actually planning with the girls to have like a little vision board, little date. Either we're gonna go to, I think we're going to a coffee shop, or we're going to like a space where we can all just kind of sit down, cut up some magazines, make our vision board and all that stuff. So I do have a plan of what I want to do. You know how usually with vision boards you either use pictures from Pinterest or pictures from magazines or anything like that. But I'm gonna take inspiration from those photos. I want to recreate those photos with me in them, so that my vision board is me on that vision board doing all the things that I'm recreating from Pinterest that I want to achieve in my life. I'm basically like manifesting it by putting myself in that position and dressing up the part and sprucing up the part as if I'm already there. Kind of like scripting or manifesting, but making it more of a physical aspect and seeing it every single day. So I'm super excited to do that. I don't know yet how I'm going to do it, but I definitely either I'm going to do my Polaroid pictures or I'm going to print them out. Not entirely sure yet, but we're going to figure it out together because I think that's going to be super, super cute. And I think it's going to be just more personal for me because I'm going to look at those photos and it's not just going to be like some random girl from Pinterest or some random photo from the internet or a magazine. Like those photos are me in those photos, and I'm making it real by recreating those photos into my vision board. I realize I talk with my hands a lot, but sorry, not sorry. I'm a Latina, so that's what it is. I feel like it's just looking at it every single day whenever I get out of the room or I step into the room, like it's there, like I want it to be in my face so I can see it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and I can't wait for next year and what's to come. That's my little blab of the day. Pretty much take down the Christmas tree right now, and we're gonna go ahead and do that right now.